Dahil natalo tayo sa ating first activity, meron tayong punishment. Ano kaya yung punishment natin? Kakatahin lang natin yung happy birthday using the sounds of your favorite animal. Shabaka, ready, get set, go! Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, Dajan, okay. What's your favorite animal?
Pig! Pig! Dinosaur.
Dinosaur!
Lalo na.
Ang galing mo!
Okay, ready, get set, go! Wow, wow! Wow, wow! Okay na ako naman lagi lahat sila. Okay, dahil dyan, okay. What's your favorite animal? Okay, dahil po. Okay. Ano kaya ang sansal ko po? Okay, ready.
Ang lala.
Okay, ready. Get set, go!